Want better cooking performance without blasting the oven? The instant Vortex ClearCook delivers, complete with a built-in window so you can watch your food crisp up without opening the door. The instant Vortex ClearCook stands out in a crowded air fryer market thanks to its see-through window and internal light, so you can check food without pausing the cycle. It also includes odor erase technology, built-in filters that reduce lingering food smells, a big upgrade for open-plan living. The Even Crisp airflow system delivers crispy outsides and tender insides with 6 cooking modes: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and broil. The 6-quart square basket fits family meals without taking up extra counter space. Controls are simple. Use the digital touchscreen and select dial, which are easy to operate even in dim lighting. Noise levels stay low throughout operation, and the unit remains cooler than traditional countertop ovens, perfect for summer cooking. Cleanup is a breeze. The removable non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, and the design minimizes splatter. Overall, the Instant Vortex ClearCook shines with its see-through window, odor filter system, and even crisp performance, all in a family-friendly size. If you want more control, convenience, and clean cooking without a high price tag, this air fryer is a standout choice. If you're interested, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!